Assalamualaikum and hello. We are going to learn for the new chapter, which is aromatic compounds, where specifically we are going to learn about 6 common names of monosubstituted benzene. For this part, I'm going to introduce to you IUPAC nomenclature for monosubstituted benzene. It means that you have a benzene with one substituent attached to it. So that's where the word mono comes from. So there are 6 common names of benzene derivatives that you have to know. The first one is structure A, benzene attached to methyl group. This one will be called as toluene. Another name that you can call it based on IUPAC nomenclature is methyl benzene. Next one, we got structure B with benzene ring attached to hydroxyl group. This is what we will call as phenol. Another name for phenol is hydroxybenzene. Next one, we go to structure C with benzene ring attached to carboxyl group. The common name for this structure is benzoic acid, or the IUPAC nomenclature for this one can be benzene carboxylic acid. Now let's go to structure D, where we have benzene attached to carbonyl group, but in this case you got C double bond O attached to hydrogen. So usually this is for aldehyde, but right now this carbonyl group attached to the benzene ring. So the common name for this structure will be benzaldehyde. The IUPAC nomenclature for this one can be used as phenyl methanol. Next one, we got structure E with benzene attached to carbonyl group as well, but in this case it's quite different from structure D because the H group is replaced with methyl group. So you got C double bond O attached to CH3. Usually this one is for ketone, but right now this carbonyl group is attached to benzene ring. So the common name for this one is acetophenone. Or you can also give the IUPAC name for this one, which is phenylethanone. And last but not least, you got benzene ring attached to NH2 group. This is amino group. So right now, the common name for this structure F is aniline. Or you can give the IUPAC name for aniline is aminobenzene. So I already introduced to you 6 common names for monosubstituted benzene. So usually we use the common name in the naming of benzene derivatives because it is more easier for you and you can shorten the name. So whichever you are comfortable with, I hope you can memorize both common names and IUPAC names. If it's too hard for you, just memorize the common names. So that's all for this video. I'm going to continue for the next one for the IUPAC nomenclature in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!